use another method of reducing levels. We want to use another method of reducing levels. So we want to look at the rise and fall method. We want to look at the rise and fall, method. So we want to look at the rise and fall method. So we know how to book a rise and fall. So we'll have a column of rise and a column of fall, then a column of reduced level, then the Remax. So at the Remax, we had the BM as 1345.081. In this case is 1345.081. So the BM is 1345.081. 45.081. So the first thing we should do is know that you are using the rise and fall method. So we want to reduce the levels using the rise and fall method. So we need to Remax. So this is at point A, at point B, at point C. Then here we have the change point and a change point, and at point D. So we have change point 1 and change point 2. So the formula of finding the reduced level at rise and fall, we have, so reduced level at the bottom, this level at the bottom is equals to reduced level at the top minus fall, or plus rise. So if you get a rise, you add to the reduced level at the top, but when you get a fall, you subtract from the reduced level at the top. So how do you find a rise or a fall? So we subtract each reading from the previous reading. So subtract, when you subtract each reading from the previous reading. So if it is a positive, it is a rise. And if it is a negative, it is a positive, it is a rise. And if it is a negative, it is a fall. So we have said that at the BM, we have the reduced level as 1345.081. So we want to get the rise or a fall. So we subtract the back side minus intermediate side, minus intermediate side, minus foreside, back side minus foreside, back side minus foreside. So we have 2.475 minus 1.667. So it is 0.808, which is a positive. So it is 0.808. It is a rise. So next we have 1.667 minus 2.070. It is negative 0.403, meaning it is a fall. So it is 0.403. So you don't write to the negative side, you just write it in the fall in the 4 column. So we go to next 2.070 minus negative 3.375. So it is 5.445, which is a positive 5.445. It is a positive. Then we go to next. We have a backside of negative 2.538. Negative 2.538 minus 2.350. So it is negative 4.888. So it is a fall of 4.888. Then we go to next. We have a backside of 2.960 minus 3.105, which we have a negative 0.145. So it is a fall of 0.145. So summation of rise and summation of fall. So we want to sum that 0.808 plus 5.445. So it is 6.253. Then 0.403 plus 4.888 plus 0.145. It is 5.436. 5.436. Let me just check. I don't want to go 4 point. 253, then 5.43. Don't know why is it 0.403 plus 4.888 plus 0.145. It is 5.436. Okay, so 6 2 5 3 and 4 5 4 3. So we can now do the reduced level. So reduced level, we have said the reduced level at the top is equals to the reduced level at the bottom is equals to the reduced level at the top plus a rise, or if it is a fall, it is minus fall. So at point A, we have a reduced level. So what about point B? So at point B, we have the reduced level at the top. We have the reduced level at the top. Reduced level at the top, which is 1345.081, and we have a rise of 0.08. So we have said that the reduced level at the bottom is equals to the reduced level at the top plus rise or minus fall. So in our case, at point B, we have the reduced level at the top as that, and then we have a rise of 0.808. So it is a plus 0.808. So 1345.081 plus 0.808. So it is the reduced level is 1345.889. 1345.889. So this will act as the reduced level at the top in our next case. So at point C we have the reduced level. At point C, we have the reduced level at the top, minus fall. We have a fall, so it is minus fall. So it is 1345.889 minus 0.403. So it is minus 0.403, which is 1345.486. So it is 1345.486. So at change point 1, we have the reduced level at the top and we have a rise. So it means plus rise. So it is 1345.486 plus 5.445. So plus 5.445, which is 1350.931. So it is 1350.931. And at change point 2, we have the reduced level at the top and we have a fall of 4.888. So we have the reduced level at the top as 0.931 and we have a fall of that. So it is minus 4.888. So minus 4.888, which is 1346.043. 1346.043. So at point D, we have the reduced level at the top and we have a fall. So at point D, we have 1346.043 and we have a fall of 0.145. So minus 0.145, which is 1345.898. 1345.898. So that is the reduced reading as 1345.898. So we have reduced our level. We have reduced our level using the rise and fall method. So we want to check if we have done things correctly. So we want to perform the arithmetic checks. We want to perform the arithmetic checks. So the arithmetic check of our rise and fall method, it is summation. It is done by summing the back side minus the sum of the fore side should be equal to sum of rise minus the sum of fall, which should be equal to the last reduced level minus the first reduced level. So the sum of backside is 2.897 minus 2.08. Then the summation of rise is 6.253 minus 5.436. Should be equal to the last reduced reading 1345.898 minus 1345.081. So our answers should be equal. So 2.897 minus 2.008 is 0.817. Then 6.253 minus 5.436 is 0.817. Then lastly is the last reduced reading minus the first reduced reading, which is 1345.898 minus 1345.081, which is 0.817. So we have done, so it is 0.187 is equals to 0.187 is equals to 0.817. So meaning we have done our reduced level collected. So this is how you do you reduce your level using the rise and fall method, and then you perform the arithmetic checks. So I think that is it for today, and yeah, I hope tumeelewa. If you have not understood, please don't hesitate. Just comment on the comment section and let me know, and I'll repeat this over and over again. So if you have done this, they say that some question papers, some past papers, they give 20 marks. They give 20 marks. Some question papers give 20. Some, yeah, as some give up to 16 marks, but some ask, then they give you like 10 marks. We look at this question as we go by. So we want to the next we want to look when you've been given the benchmark, maybe at the bottom. You've been given the benchmark at the bottom place here. Maybe this benchmark was given here or in the middle. So we will look at that in our next video. So please share, subscribe, and like. So see you in my next video.